Okay, so here we are, day number 2.
Yeah.
And if you recall some of our former videos when we were actually remodeling our house that we're living in now, day number 2 looked a lot more stressful than
Chaotic.
Yeah, than
Terrible,
here. And
argumentative. It was.
I know. And the reason I'm telling the folks at home this is because when you live in the home space that you're remodeling with your family, it's really, really hard to not want to hurt each other. Yeah. So this has been a good thing so far, right? But look behind me.
Away.
Check.
You just leave and walk away at night.
Yeah.
You can sit here till tomorrow.
Did you ever want to walk away during our remodel project?
A lot, a whole lot. Sometimes I thought about turning the other way on the street when I came home, but that, yeah.
Okay, great.
It's difficult.
Hey, you see what my shirt says?
Find the good. You see what mine says? Yeah, that's...
You're missing the point.
I have to go. We both have stuff
Okay,
to
we have
do.
stuff to do. But hey, check out the back. Like, look at the shed. Look at the backyard.
Backyard's rolling.
It's
We're
good.
doing good here.
Good.
Yep.
Okay, so progress. We can see the rooms. Things are out and all the things. Wait. What are you doing?
Hold on.
What are you hold on a second.
Oh, I upped my belt game here.
Wait.
Look at this.
Where did you find belts?
They were hanging right here. I don't know where they put them in here. But I just upped my belt game by a factor of 5. 5 belts.
I don't understand you. I don't understand you.
No. It's the kind of stuff you get to take advantage of when you get a house.
Okay, I can deal with lizards. That's okay. It's mice that I can't deal with.
They don't do nothing. They're just a lizard.
Lizards are okay. I
No,
don't
they-
mind. But look, I'm just gonna walk behind you. If you see anything moving, stop.
He went inside.
I know. I'm not going in there
I
right
killed
now.
one of them yesterday.
You killed a mouse yesterday?
No.
A lizard.
It was a big lizard.
Oh God. So if you look behind me, you see this whole building has been cleared out, like totally cleared out. And that happened over the course of yesterday, last night, and into today. They're now going into the house and working through the house. I'm not gonna go in there right now. I actually saw a mouse in the kitchen just a little bit ago. Yeah, so I'm staying outside for a minute because, me and mice, we not friends. This is our backyard. The look is a little bit different now. And you see, remember, there was a huge broken down, collapsed deck right there, and that's all gone, so. I will say it's a lot different when you're remodeling a house that you're not living in. Like when Pat and I were living in our house that we're in now and remodeling it, yeah, that's a lot more stressful. This has been enjoyable so far, but it's also only day 2. There you go. You're literally having a belt try-on party here?
Well, I'm going to give the rest away to the Latinos if they want them. Some of these are just hard to do that with. Do that.
I don't understand.
The rest away.
That's a woman's belt.
Oh, well, I know what that. I think these 2 are my boys.
Oh.
I'm going to give those to these guys.
Do you want a belt? Raul, do you want a belt?
Those.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand.
This is dumpster number 4, and it's filling up. Yeah, we're tearing drywall out right now after we've cleaned the house out. So most everything is out of the house with the exception of the attic, which is gonna happen tomorrow. And yeah, it's coming along. So gutting that interior and gonna tear some walls out, finding that the drywall is in pieces. So it's kind of a double patched over thing. It's kind of interesting. They're having a little bit of some difficulty getting the drywall out. But there you go. But look at that. Hey, it's happening.